Brigadeiro without condensed milk or cream, ready in minutes. Let's start by adding a cup of milk to a pan. Next, add half a tablespoon of butter. Now 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 of 50% cocoa chocolate. Turn on low heat and mix well until it reaches the right consistency. Folks, you can leave it on the heat without stirring constantly. Just stir occasionally until it starts to thicken. Be careful as it might bubble and spill over. It's almost ready now. It has thickened quite a bit. This consistency is for spoon brigadeiro if you prefer it that way. It's almost at the right point. Wait for the Moses effect, where the mixture doesn't flow back when you part it with a spoon. Once it falls in clumps, remove it and transfer to plastic wrap, then just wait for it to cool down. Now that our brigadeiro is cool, let's take it out and start shaping. You can make them any size you like. I'll repeat this process with the rest of the brigadeiro. To make them look nicer, I'll roll them in sprinkles, but that's optional. All done, folks. Check out how amazing these brigadeiros look. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Try these at home. I'm sure everyone will love them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time and thanks. Hey there, feeling bored?